STOBER has been innovating and optimizing gearbox solutions for the food and beverage industry since 1997. STOBER's new cLEAN system was created to eliminate premature failure due to water ingress through the motor. The cLEAN system is the world's toughest system. It's designed for harsh washdown and hygienic applications. It prevents water ingress through the motor, has the highest efficiency rating possible, can easily be installed in minutes, and allows for storeroom optimization with its range of performance, all while being backed with a 3-year warranty. Let's break down the benefits. Many NEMA motors have weep holes or drain holes in the face of their motors. This allows water ingress and can cause the gearbox to fail. In fact, it is the #1 cause of premature failure our service team encounters. The STOBER cLEAN system eliminates this issue. It has 0 weep holes, features double seals on the motor cover and all connection points, and has an O-ring in the cable connection, resulting in a totally enclosed solution that prevents premature failure. It's designed to EHEDG standards and is IP69K certified. The majority of NEMA motors installed in the United States today have an efficiency class of IE2 or IE3. The STOBER cLEAN system operates at an IE5 level of efficiency, far exceeding the current installed motor base in the US. Not only will you save thousands of dollars in energy efficiency expenditures, but you're also future-proofing your solution with the STOBER cLEAN system. Plus, your motor envelope won't increase. Competitor units will have to grow 1/3 in size for each additional efficiency level. Not the case with STOBER. The cLEAN system utilizes permanent magnet technology, producing more horsepower than competitors while remaining compact. Not only does STOBER provide the durable gearbox that you've come to expect, but now you can also get the motor, cable, and drive in the same transaction. The cables are supplied by STOBER and have the option for a stainless steel connector. The cLEAN drive from STOBER is incredibly easy to program and install. It supports numerous communication protocols and can be wired up in just a few minutes. With a compact design and 0-stack installation, you can put these drives next to each other without an air gap, saving valuable space in the cabinet. Plus, the drive card can be easily removed and put in a new drive. There is no need for recommissioning. The cLEAN system's premium operating efficiency and high-frequency injection technology allows it to have torque across the entire speed range. Upgrade to the new cLEAN system from STOBER. It is built in less than 1 week from our facility in Maysville, Kentucky. Get the world's toughest system. Find more information at stober.com or configure it today with configurator.stober.com.